So let's do another. So you want to see how and you're like, well, you haven't shown me enough numbers yet, right? So we said that 9 is the creator, right? Okay. So what's under 9? The types of energy. So you got 3 and you got 6, right? There's still more numbers. Okay. So under 3, there's 3 numbers. And under 6, there's 3 numbers. Seeing a pattern here? Everything is 3, 6, and 9, right? Let's do the 3 numbers. So you got 1, 2, there's 3, 4. And you got 5, there's 6, 7, 8, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? See the pattern? Look at the shape. It's a pyramid, right? Because fundamentally, thy body is thy temple, and numbers are the language of the universe. So let's go a little bit further. Okay. So we already know that 3 plus 6 equals 9, right? So that means that 9 rules over 3 and 6, right? 9 is the boss over 3 and 6, if just to simplify it, right? But 3 and 6 are also spiritual numbers. So 3, 6, and 9 are all spiritual numbers in the spiritual realm. These 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, and 8 are all physical realm numbers, basically earth, the physicalities, the things that we create here. And so how do you know that 3 and 6 are in charge of all these numbers? How do you know that these numbers shouldn't be up here? Okay, let's do this. So you got 3 is in control of 1, 2, and 4, right? 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 4 is 6, right? 5 plus 7 is 12. And then you break it down further. 1 plus 2 is 3. 7 plus 8 is 15. Break it down, 6. Right? So you got 3, 6, 3, 6. 3, 6 is above all these numbers. These are the spiritual, these numbers rule over the physical world from the quantum level. Okay? These are spiritual numbers. These are the earth numbers, the physical numbers. And why do you have a 3 and a 6 on one side and 3, 6 on the other? Since these are both under 3, since these are all under 3, why aren't both of these 3? And that's because, remember, everything is balance. So you got to have a 3 and a 6 for balance so you can be controlled. And why do we have balance? Because without balance, one or the other can have more control than the other. So, for instance, if everything is all positive and we don't have any such thing as negative energy, right? If we have no negative energy in existence, we don't even know what it is because it doesn't exist. We would never progress. We would never grow. We wouldn't know what to do if something that we perceived as bad happens. We wouldn't know what to do because we've never experienced it, because we get our knowledge from experience. So what happens if everything is negative energy and there's no such thing as positive energy? Well, then the ones who haven't figured out, they're the ones that are going to be slaves, right? Kind of like what's happening now in politics or whatever. You got the rich elite trying to rule the country, and we got a lot of people still obeying the rules that they're putting in place, but those rules don't really exist. They're not real. So if you don't have negative and positive energy, because without negative energy, you don't have to endure any hardship. You're not overcoming anything. So therefore, you're not learning any lessons. And if you're not learning any lessons, then you're not progressing spiritually. And if you're not progressing spiritually, then there's no point for us to even be down here on earth, because we're spirits. We're not physical bodies. We're spirits. We're all spirits. And in every scripture, whether you believe in the Bible, whether you believe in the laws of the universe, doesn't matter what you read, everybody agrees that we are spirits.